Thanks Nisha for the Adenium seeds. The seeds are ready to be sown. I've just separated these seeds from the husk. That is, these are the ones that carry the seeds far away and help in propagation. So that has been separated and the seeds are collected. I have now added just a pinch or two of antifungal powder to the seeds, which is very much required before it is sown. It has to be treated with antifungal powder. So I'll be mixing it thoroughly. Now I will prepare the soil or the sand in which these seeds will be planted. So I have placed a couple of stones to just cover the holes in the bowl, and I am adding sand, fine sand. I am not adding anything else except for the fine sand. So now the sand is what I had taken from a construction site. I'm not sure whether it is from the riverbed or seabed. So I have given it a thorough wash. 2 days back I washed it some 4 to 5 times in running water, and then I dried the sand in the sun. So the sand is now dry completely and it's ready for sowing the seeds. Now here I am out in the sun. So the seeds are ready, sand in the bowl, and I am trying to put some more seeds in this plastic container. So this is the arrangement for today. So once the sand is ready, what I'll do is I will treat the sand also with antifungal powder solution. That is, I've taken Bevestin antifungal powder, 2 grams for every liter of water. I have mixed it thoroughly. Now I'll sprinkle the water and I'll treat the sand first with the solution now. So the entire sand I am treating with this solution here. First time, what I am trying to do is treat the sand completely with antifungal solution. Bevestin, 2 grams of Bevestin per liter of water. I have mixed the Bevestin in water and I have sprayed the sand, completely drenched the sand for the first time so that the water drains down from the container. Even here the water has drained. I can now sow the seeds. I'll go ahead and plant the seeds here. 1, 2. So this is how I have put just 3 seeds in this is a small clay pot, so I am not loading the pot with too many seeds. With an inch space in between, I have put I think only 3 seeds here. The rest I will try to put it in a plastic container. the 3 containers are ready with the seeds. I have put them 1 inch apart. Here 2 seeds and the other bowl has 3 seeds, and here are some 8 to 9 seeds in this plastic container. The sand is completely drenched for the first time in antifungal solution. I have used Bevistin and treated the sand with the solution. What I'm going to do is add a thin layer of sand on top of the seeds in the bowl. And finally, of course, again a layer of antifungal solution to treat the sand layer which I have just now placed on the seeds. I am holding the mobile phone and shooting the video and continuing with the procedure, so the video might not be completely steady or accurate. Just please bear with me. This is how it is completely drenched, and this is how it is looking right now. And these are the clay pots in which I have placed only 2 or 3 seeds. Now that the containers are ready, the plant seeds have been sown, I'll just place these containers inside the room, and I will try to update this video as and when there is some progress in the germination of these seeds. Yoo-hoo! As you can see, only 1 seed has germinated so far after 4 days in the staging container, and the rest are yet to germinate. After 6 days, now we can see a few more seeds sprouting out of the soil, and I am feeling totally excited to see these lovely plants to be. However, it is surprising to see that the seeds are yet to germinate in these clay pots. Some more are making their way out of the soil after 8 days, and a few are already showing off their first leaves. It's been 10 curious days, and now almost all the seeds have sprouted. My pretty little plants are standing tall on their own, sporting fresh, green, refreshing leaves, reaching out to the sun.